Rescue teams searching for a missing submersible, which was taking 5 people down to the wreck of the Titanic, say they've detected underwater noises. US Coast Guard officials have relocated the search efforts after hearing the sounds described as banging. Search teams are racing against the clock to locate the sub, which vanished in the North Atlantic on Sunday as air supplies are used up.
On behalf of all the men and women of the United States Coast Guard and our search partners, we offer our most heartfelt thoughts and prayers for the 5 crew members, their families, and their loved ones.
The search for the vessel, named Titan, is very complex and is covering a wide and deep expanse of ocean, and it's unclear what's caused both of its communication systems to stop functioning. Meanwhile, an underwater robot is searching in the vicinity of the Titanic as salvage equipment is being rushed to the scene in case the sub is found.